All right, one of the most expensive liquids on the face of the earth is inkjet ink. I got this, which was substantially cheaper than the Canon product. And it's for my Pixma Canon. I think this is a 5020, TS5020. But yeah, I've had it for a long time. And I get this inkjet because it's such a great deal on Amazon. And it's much cheaper than buying the Canon product. So let's open it up, see what's in here. And I think I got a lot too, really, for the price. I mean, it comes with all the colors. I think 2 of each. So you got 2 of the big blacks, 2 of the regular blacks, 2 of the blues, 2 of the magenta, and 2 of the yellow. Which, not bad, right? Not bad. So let's set it over here for a second. And then let's go in here. Let's open up and see what's up. Now I think that I need to change my magenta. So the way you know you need to change it is that it's blinking like that. Blinking around. And to get this out, you push this forward, this little thing here, and it just comes out. Just like that, right? So that's the one we need, okay? I think this thing's gonna fall down. Maybe I can prop it up with this. Look, I propped it up with that. Anyway, so we gotta get one of those. And this is the one we're gonna need right here. We gotta get it out of its package. So let's get it out of its package, just like that. And when you get this, it's got this little orange thing on the bottom. So before you put it in, you gotta pop this off because this is what keeps all the ink in there. You know what I mean? So get that off of there. And now you can look, you can see the ink flowing in there. It's ready to go. Let's put it in. All right, so here we go. I've got to slide it in like this, just like that. Push it down, and when I smush it down, it should light up. And now we should be good, right? I just dropped that one. And then I just got to drop my top. Bam, Bob's your uncle. And it is initializing. And we should actually be ready to go. So there we are. Processing, following the genuine Canon ink tanks have been installed. Okay, now we just got to hit OK over here. Bam, paper may have been replaced in the power off state. Yeah, okay. So we're ready to go. Now we can go ahead and print something up. And you guys are going to find that if you get these, they're much cheaper. And you get them right here on Amazon. And bam, that's how you change the ink on your Canon Pixma TS5020. I highly recommend it.